Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's, I have the Benks aramic carbon fiber for the S24 Plus. As you know, this is part two. In the first video, this particular case did not work and the power button was not functioning. I'm going to show you. This is the Samsung official case. It's not an issue with the phone whatsoever. Power, hold down, the button absolutely works. Now, I have not opened this case. I don't know if this is gonna work or it's gonna be like the same one. If I had to guess, because this is made by batches, I would say that this will not work. Because they probably didn't realize that they made a mistake in a lot of the cases that come out the same way. But let's see. So you guys know I love this case. This is a beautiful case. Let me put it next to my iPhone. This is the speaking from my iPhone. This is 1500, armored 1500. This is 600. You can tell the difference right there. So it's a little thinner in the fabric here. But they're different companies. This is Spigen, this is Benks. But for the S24 Plus, which doesn't really have a lot of, this is a really cool case in my opinion. This is maybe one out of a few that's max safe, aramic, made by a reputable company such as Benks. Okay, but last time, you guys know we were let down. So hopefully that changes in this video. I don't want to be too long. This is quite a simple installation. So for those of you who were asking me in the comments what was the situation with the Benks case, we're about to find out. This is for you. Man, let me clean this off. This thing's so damn dirty. That's the problem with this case, is that they do get really smudgy. They show a lot of smudges, a lot of fingerprint oils and stuff like that. So make sure you got your little wipe towel handy. So there you go, guys. Nitro titanium iPhone, gray, S24 Plus. I love this look right here. Like I said in the previous video, it reminds me of the previous iPhone 15X. So here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Power up. Let me go in. Power up. Power down. Let's see if the power button works. Oh, no, guys. I'm sorry. It does not work. I'm going to try one thing, though. I was thinking about this. I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to do something to the case. It might help. It might help the case. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Now, I think what's happening here is that the power button right here, there's an extra layer of plastic in here, which doesn't allow the space to push on the power button. But I think if we gently just push back on it, this is not a permanent fix. I don't think that this case will function 100% the way the volumes work. But if we push it out just a little bit, we might be able to get some functionality, because it's a minor, it's like it's less than a hair. All right, let's try that again. All right, let's see. It worked. It works. What are we saying here? Do we get a pass? That works, man. I don't know. Maybe we fixed it. Maybe we fixed this case. What do you guys think? Is this gonna work tomorrow? I think so. I'm really surprised of how good it's functioning. Just like the volume keys. I think that's a pass, guys. I think that I'm not gonna say Benks fixed it. I'm gonna say that I fixed it. But a lot of people are gonna get this case and they're gonna return it because they don't know. I mean, who the hell is gonna want to push it with pliers a power button outside? Very few people. I mean, why would you want to do that anyways? It should work right out of the box. But if you want it, you can get this case and you can make it work. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put it back on just to rule out any other type of the case goes back to its place, whatnot. You guys see right there, there's nothing to it. Nothing to it. Putting it back on, it works. It works, guys. That's pass. That's pass right there for me. We got one. We got one for the S24 Plus. I know you guys been waiting for a good carbon fiber case, and we finally got it. But I'm just happy that this works because I'm not feeling this case right here. I'm not feeling that, and I'm not feeling the leather case that came with the box either. The leather vegan case, no, I'll pass on that. But we got one, man. This is a win right here. Oh, by the way, since we are in the subject of magnetic cases, there you go. Now I don't have my wireless charger. I left it at the gym, but yeah, man, we got the case, guys. We got it. I hope you guys see this video to the end because I don't want you guys to watch the first minute and be like, oh, it doesn't work. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching.